Hello friends, today we are going to learn about the Android. So we will start from the basic Hello World application and then we will understand the how the program will be executed by the Android. So I'm going to start Android Studio. So initially when Android will be started, you can see the simple dialog box. From here you have to click on Start New Android Project. So after clicking on the project, you will see this window where you have to select your application name. So here I am going to set as hello world, and then the company domain name, whatever you wish you can give it. It's just used for creating the package structure, and then location where you want to create your application. So I have selected a different location because my C drive does not have much space. So I have located my project in E drive, and then I click on next. Then I have to select the versions on which version I would like to develop my application. So I'm going to select the Jelly Bean, and it's enough because uh, if you go for the older version of Android, there might be some features which are missing, which is available in the newer version. So select the version successfully so that you can cover maximum number of users in the market. And then I click on next. Okay, then you have to select here activity. So as of now we're going to start, so I will select this empty activity. Okay, so this is a by default name given by the Android, that is main activity, and it's the layout file. It's a XML file where all the designing of this activity will be there. So I will just unmark this backward compatibility because I don't want Android application to be deployed in earlier version than the Jelly Bean. Then I click on finish. You can see that Android is building your application. So after your application has been built, so it's ready to be deployed. So let's first see that how our screen will look. So in order to see that how your screen will be, you you have to check this activity main.xml. So this XML can be found in the resources folder. Just you have to go into layout, and here you have an activity main. So here you can see the Android has by default generated hello world text for you. So you have to just click on design. You can see the hello world is appearing here. So now what next you have to do is you have to run the emulator. Either you can directly test in your mobile, or you can also run the emulator to check this application. So I will run the emulator. So if you are running the emulator, make sure that the Intel XM is installed on your PC because the newer version of Android want Intel XM to be installed. So here I have already created a virtual uh, device to run my application. If the virtual device is not appearing here, then you have to go to create new virtual device, and you have to select any of the device to test your application, then click on next and then finish. So your device will appear here. Here I will run this device. I'll click on OK. So you can see here that Android is starting every building Gradles. So my emulator has been started. You can see our device is getting booted. Device is ready. Now Android Studio is installing APK. and it will automatically launch our application in device. So see, it has been launched. I'm not going to launch it. I'm just waiting for Android to launch. Yeah, it has been started, and you can see here hello world. In the next tutorial we will see that how the application getting executed, what is the entry point, how the execution take place. Thanks for watching.